Hello and welcome to our curtain measuring guide, specially designed for care homes. We understand the importance of creating a warm and comfortable environment for your residents. We're here to provide clear, step-by-step guidance to ensure you get it right. Remember to use centimetres when measuring for accuracy. First, let's talk about the width. To measure inside a window recess, refer to line A on our curtain measuring form. It's vital to provide us with the exact width inside the recess, so we can make necessary adjustments for the perfect fit. Let's discuss length. There are three common lengths: sill, below sill and floor length. Choose the one that best suits the room's needs. For sill and below sill measurements, take the distance from the top of the recess to the bottom of the recess, which is line B on our form. For floor length curtains, measure from the top of the recess to the floor, which corresponds to line C. We require precise measurements to tailor the curtains perfectly. If you're considering a Pelmet, it's important for us to know the distance from ceiling to floor, indicated as line D on our form. If there's no pole or batten in place, we'll be able to use the measurement from the height of the recess and we'll add extra length to accommodate this. Our curtain measurement form, which is available for download on our website, is designed to help you record measurements systematically. Remember, accuracy is crucial. Always double check your measurements. Additionally, it's vital to take a photo of the window and the surrounding area and send it along with the measure sheet. And remember, we're always here to assist. Whether you have any questions or need advice, feel free to reach out by phone or email.